Smart eClass. I will tell you about the English curriculum and textbooks. Smart eClass curriculum is made up of a learning roadmap, for each level taking into consideration the cognitive language development ability. The goal of learning is for all students to become fluent in English. This curriculum includes online learning that is related to the contents of the books. The basic stage is for the first and second grades of elementary school. Cocophonics is used for this class, which provides a play centered around English speech. The beginner course is for the third and fourth grades of elementary school. Textbook for level 1 and 2 of Smart eClass is used for this class, which is to teach situational conversations. The intermediate course is for the fourth and fifth grades of elementary school. Textbook for level 3 and 4 of Smart eClass is used for this class, where students are taught expression-oriented learning. The advanced class, where students are taught expression-oriented learning. The advanced courses for students in the 5th and 6th grades. With the textbook for level 4 and 5, they will be taught how to use expressions accurately by presentations and writing. In addition, students are able to experience the greatest possible learning effect through various fun online activities, including online learning, as well as the website's dedicated online learning library. How teachers can use the website. Teacher website is admin.smarteclass.co.kr, and student website is smarteclass.co.kr. You can sign in as a teacher with your account, which is given to teachers via the website above. You can share the account with your Korean co-teacher. After the initial sign-in, you'll find the website is written in Korean. So, we recommend you memorize the community and content menus, as those are the only two tabs you will need to use. Contents tab, Cocophonics ebook. First, it is the Content tab. In the Contents tab, you can view all textbooks in the form of an ebook. First, let's take a look at Cocophonics. It consists of 6 Cocophonics and 3 Super Cocophonics, and Cocophonics begins with the alphabets and Super Cocophonics starts with double consonants. You can check the table of contents by clicking the button at the top left of the ebook. Cocophonics consists of 3 books, a student book, workbook, and readers. You can move by clicking on the lesson. First, let's go to lesson 1 of the student book. The page you see now is the student textbook, and you can play a video about the alphabet by clicking the video button. If you click the speaker button, you can play the sound source, and click the check button to see the correct answer. If on the screen, you can just place the cursor on the page and double-click it. If you want to zoom out, just double-click it again. Let's look at the workbook this time. The workbook only has one function, which is to see if the answer is correct. The last one that we are going to take a look at is readers. It usually consists of 2 stories, and there is 1 story after every 4 lessons in the student book. Therefore, you can proceed to story 1 after learning student book lessons from 1 to 4. Students can learn the phonics learned in the lessons in a story format. Contents tab, Smart eClass ebook. The next textbook is the Smart eClass. This coursebook covers a total of 4 areas of speaking, listening, reading, and writing, with a total of 36 books in 6 levels and 6 volumes. Let's take a closer look at the textbook. It consists of a total of 4 units, and each unit 4 units, and each unit consists of 4 lessons. When teaching with a Korean teacher, you can both use this structure. For example, a Korean teacher can do the reading part, and a native speaker can do the listening and speaking part. We are now going to take a closer look at this ebook. By clicking the top left corner of the ebook, you will be able to see the contents. It consists of a student book and a workbook. First, let's look at the student book. By clicking the video button, you can play the topic video of what you will be learning that day. By clicking the speaker button, you can play the audio of the track. And by clicking the check button, you can see if the answer is correct. Resources tab, Teaching Materials. I will now talk about teaching materials that can be used in class. Go to Community tab, Resources, then select the textbook from the drop-down menu at the top. Let me show you how to do it. Select this book and click the Material drop-down menu. The main materials used in lessons are PPT and TG. The lesson PPT is a review material that you can use at the end of each lesson. It consists of various types of review material, from flashcards to game materials, so you can help students remember what they had learned in the previous class in 15 minutes. I will show you the Smart eClass lesson PPT. Through flashcards, students are able to review words they learned that day and practice correcting mistakes they make in sentences. At the end of the lesson, you can wrap up the class in the form of a fun game.